What's one tech buzzword that could change how we handle contracts, property, and even art? Yep, it's tokenization. And no, you don't need to be a coder to get it. Tokenization is basically taking ownership of something real, like a house, a painting, or a stock, and turning it into digital tokens on a blockchain. Think of it as chopping up that asset into tiny pieces, so each piece is represented by a token. You can buy, sell, or trade those tokens just like shares in a company. From a legal perspective, tokenization is shaking up how we transfer rights, prove ownership, and even enforce contracts. It makes transactions faster, more transparent, and sometimes borderless. For law students, this means new questions about regulation, property rights, and what counts as real ownership. Ready to dive deeper? Hit subscribe for more law made simple.